Regeneration among animals. What is regeneration? How does it help in propagation? How does it happen at the cellular level? In some animals like Hydra, we see a great ability of regeneration. A small fragment of the body can give rise to a whole new organism. If a tentacle is broken off from the body of a Hydra, then a detailed observation shows that in this isolated fragment, cells start to redifferentiate and form stem cells, which have the capacity to form any cell of the body. These stem cells start multiplying and produce new cells. Which gradually form a body of a new Hydra along with tentacles. In Hydra, another method of regeneration is seen. For example, if a sharp stone cuts the body of a Hydra in two parts, it has the capacity to reorganize and form a new Hydra from each of its parts.